In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Fidelity to TradingView. Right away, here's the bottom line: you can't directly connect or integrate a Fidelity brokerage account with TradingView. Here is no native integration that lets you place orders from a TradingView chart through Fidelity. And you won't see Fidelity listed among TradingView's supported brokers. So what does that mean for your setup? It means your best workflow is to use both platforms side by side. Treat TradingView as your research and charting hub. Then execute your trades in Fidelity's own tools. Fidelity offers proprietary platforms designed for order entry and management, including Active Trader Pro and the newer Fidelity Trader Fe. The firm is actively updating these tools with a next-generation version of Active Trader Pro in the works. So you'll want to keep them current. Here is how to work efficiently without a direct link. Keep TradingView open for your charts, indicators, and market structure. Next to it, open your chosen Fidelity platform for placing orders, managing positions, and viewing balances. When your analysis on TradingView gives you an entry, exit, or adjustment, move to the Fidelity window and submit the order there. This two-platform approach is how many traders bridge the gap when a broker integration isn't available. If you are ever unsure whether the situation has changed, check TradingView's broker connection page. If Fidelity doesn't appear there, direct trading from TradingView still isn't supported. Users request this frequently, so it could evolve, but as of today, you should plan around the parallel workflow. A couple of practical notes will make this smoother. Keep both applications updated for performance and reliability. Arrange your windows so you can see price action and your order ticket at the same time to reduce context switching. Use consistent symbol formatting and layout names, so what you are analyzing in TradingView matches what you are trading in Fidelity. Before the market gets busy, do a quick dry run. Identify a level on TradingView, then, without rushing, step through the order entry process in Fidelity to confirm quantity. Order type and route are set the way you expect. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.